Okay, welcome students. Welcome to the next session of 3ds Max. In this session we will see wiring parameters and reaction manager. Now what is meant by wiring parameters and reaction manager? Let us see. Let's create two objects. This is box 1 and let's have one more box called box 2. Okay, so if you select the first box, go to modify, you can see its name, that is box 1. Press W for select and move tool. This is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and this is box 2. So what I will do, I will go to animate. Now I want to do one thing. When I move this box along y-axis, the second box should move along x-axis. So I want to wire parameters of translate y of box 1 to the translate x of box 2. How to do that? Go to animation, click on wire parameters and click on parameter wire dialog. In this you will have two windows, left and right. Both windows will have basically same options, that are the list of all the objects available. So objects. So box 1 transform, position and y parameter should be linked with box 2 transform, position, x parameter. And if you want to make this box 1 as the parent, you have to use this symbol. That means this will be parent, this will be child. If you use this symbol, this will be parent. That means transform y of box 2 will be parent and transform x of box 2 will be parent and transform y of box 1 will be child. And or you can keep two-way connection. Then click on connect. Once you click on connect, the parameters are connected. That means if I move this box along y-axis, it will move along x-axis and vice versa. So this is wiring parameter. Here we have wired or connected two different parameters to one another. This is wiring parameter. Now let us see reaction manager. That is little different from wiring parameter. For reaction manager, let us draw two boxes like this. Press shift and take a copy. Suppose this is the door which should open, and let's take third object. Suppose this is our car. Now once this car approaches the object, it should open. So what I will do, I will go to animation and reaction manager. In the reaction manager, we have two objects, one is master and other is slave. Now this object will move over here, that means along positive y-axis. Once it approaches over here, this gate should open, that means they should move along x-axis, either plus or minus. This will move along plus and this will move along minus, and once it passes it, it should automatically get closed. So select this object and then click on add master, click over here, or you can click on this object, transform, position along y-axis should be master. Then click on add slave, click over here, transform, position, x-axis is the slave. Click on another add slave, transform, position, x-axis. So we have one master and two slaves. Now click on create mode and click over here create state. So this is initial state. Then move this object over here. Open the gate. So I have moved that object along y-axis and these objects along x-axis, and this will be our second state. Now further move this object and again close the gate and click on one more state. Now our work is done. Now whenever you will move this object along y-axis, we need to close that. We need to come out of the create mode. Now the things are done. Now whenever you will move this object along y-axis, these gates will open.